Missionary Sisters of the Queen of the Apostles, this centennial celebration signifies for us an opportunity to view new apostolic goals within the framework of our charism and our mission, and also within the framework of the synodal path outlined by our beloved Pope Francis, and the present scenario of the needs of the world today, and especially of our people here in Uganda. In order to bring hope to our world, we will continue to discern and envision our future by prayerfully listening to God and to one another, to all of you, so that we may really follow where God is calling us into the future. The human and compassionate hearts and spiritual souls of our sisters here in Uganda and all over the congregation will provide the charismatic spirit and dynamism and energy that inspires and guides us in all we do. Thank you, dear sisters. Thank you for all you are in Uganda. With conviction, commitment, and passion, we will march forward to bring transformation based on the values of justice, peace, hope, and care for the creation, and proclaim the message of God's compassionate love in this part of the world and in all over where the Lord is calling us to be effectively at the service of the gospel. Thank one and all. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.